Good night. My name is Valeria Sandoval Lozano, and this is my oral defense on the effects of technology on human life. The technology is one of the most used tools today by all people. Science is found in all areas: work, entertainment, communication, etc. From my personal experience, the technology has been of great help to my science when it comes to researching on a website. The time is less than researching in books to which at a clear and concise answer on the topics I am looking for. However, the effort I made when researching the book and the how like I accurate by reading looking for the answer has been lost like science now today I see reflecting that it is difficult for me to search between the lines for a topic when I don't find it. To the fears on the web, which ends up generating stress and small mental block. Um, and so personally to me, technology, the speed, its great scope and effectiveness is a bad influence on the cognitive and investigative development of the human being. And isn't only the technology affects cognitively, but we have also seen changes in our bodies due to the constant use of this, such as for example, the hatches that we get from electromagnetic waves, or also if we look at the our tombs, uh, we are going to see how they have a curvature in the shape that was caused by the constant use of the cell phone, as well as the of the bone of the neck from looking at the cell phone screen in a bad posture. Um, Little by little, we are seeing how technology has influenced us in a negative change, and this without saying the different changes could generate future generations. How will not only use this technology, but will emerge from them for everything, which very bad for development of survival instincts and logical thinking in children in the future. The changes technology have made has also influenced the way we relate to each other, since we will not only stop talking to people when they are in the same place, but also the feeling of exploring the world and reading about the unknown will be overshadowed by the visions and the use technology with which you can visit any place without leaving home. There has been so much to make caused by technology that we may think it is irreparable, but there, but there is still time to do something. We can. teach future generations that reality is more important than what may behind a screen, and that going it to connect how to connect with the world and nature is necessary for the human being. The change began with us, who must strengthen our family ties and not let ourselves be consumed by attractive technologies. Thank you.